Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the art of crocheting something super cute and useful. A beautiful handmade crochet apple, complete with green leaves and a brown stem. Materials needed. Before we get started, let's go over the materials you shall need for this project. Red yarn for the body of the apple, green yarn for the leaves, brown yarn for the stem, a crochet hook, fiberful stuffing to give your apple shape, scissors, yarn needle for sewing pieces together. Alright, now that we have everything, let's start creating our apple. Step number 1. Crocheting the apple body. We are going to start with the body of the apple. Begin with a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight to close. Now we shall increase each round to build the apple's shape. In this second round, make 2 single crochets in each stitch, ending with 12 stitches in total. In round 3, do 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochets in the next. Repeat this pattern all the way around, bringing us to 12 to 18 stitches. Building up the apple shape. Continue increasing for the next few rounds by adding 1 more single crochet before each increase. For example, round 4 will be 1 essay in each of the first 2 stitches, then 2 in the next. This pattern continues until you reach about 48 stitches in a round, or until your apple is the desired width. Once you have reached the width you like, crochet several rounds of single crochets without increasing to build up the height of the apple, decreasing for the top. To create the top of the apple, we shall start decreasing in the same gradual way. Make 1 single crochet in each of the first 5 stitches. Then decrease by crocheting 2 stitches together. Repeat this pattern for the round between each decrease until the opening is small. Stuffing and closing. Stuff your apple firmly with fiberfill to give it that nice round shape. Don't overstuff, but make sure it's plump. Once it's stuffed, continue decreasing until the opening is small enough to sew closed with a yarn needle. Finish off and wave in the end. Step number 2. Crocheting the leaves. Grab your green yarn and make a slip knot. Chain 6 stitches, starting from the second chain from the hook. Make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets and 1 single crochet in the last chain to form the pointed end of the leaf. Now working on the opposite side of the chain, mirror those stitches. You shall have a small cute leaf ready. Make a second leaf the same way so your apple has 2 leafy ends. Attaching the pieces. It's time to put everything together. Sew the brown stem to the top of the apple. Take your brown yarn and make a chain of 5 stitches. Single crochet back down the chain for a thicker, sturdier stem. Tie off and leave a long tail for sewing. Sew the brown stem to the top of the apple using the tail you left earlier. Position the green leaves on either side of the stem and sew them securely. Make sure everything is attached snugly and weave in any remaining ends to keep your work neat. Final touches. Your beautiful crochet apple is now complete. Take a moment to fluff it up and adjust any parts that need a little extra attention. Thank you so much for joining me today.